Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem and use One4all gift card online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To redeem and use your One4all gift card online, what you need to do first is access your card details. Scratch off the silver panel on the back to reveal your CVV code, and then simply log into the One4all website or app by simply tapping on the link. Then once you're inside, what you need to do is select Visa or debit card as your payment method, then enter in the 16-digit card number and enter your own name and billing address when prompted, and then simply complete the checkout process. Ensure your card balance covers the full purchase amount, as most online retailers do not support split payments. Then some important considerations are most online merchants only accept one payment method per transaction. Ensure your card balance is sufficient for the entire purchase, as partial payments may not be accepted, and not all online retailers accept One4all gift cards. It's advisable to check the retailer's payment options before attempting to use your card. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.